Hello, gorgeous. Today I have the American Influencer Beauty Box for you guys. I'm so stoked about this box. If you want to know who's in this box, then stay tuned. Hi, beautiful. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Super stoked about this box. I get these boxes from time to time, and sometimes I'll skip months or whatever if I'm not really interested in what box it is or what brands are in it or whatever. I think the last 2 months was like hair products or something, and I didn't really need it, so I was like, I can skip this one so that I can maybe get another one. And I forgot to look to see what was going on and to skip this next box. I'm so happy I did. This is the Bella Pierre Beauty Box. I'm so excited about this, you guys. Let's dive in. I am stoked about this box. So we've got our handy dandy card in here. It has some information about Bella Pierre. Has the products that we have that we're getting from her brand. So right off the bat, we've got a mineral lipstick, and it's in the shade Incognito. I'm not a big bullet lipstick fan, but I'm gonna give it a try. Gonna give it a whirl. See, it seems like a really pretty nudie color, and I love this packaging. Look at this packaging; it's so cute. It says Bella Pierre right there, and the color you can't really see. I need to get this lighting fixed. I can't wait until I get my entire room set up because this is my forever home. Woo! It's a really pretty nude color though, so I'm gonna give it a try. I've never had a mineral lipstick. It's really creamy. I'm going to hang on to it, give it a try a few times, and I'll let you guys know what I think. This retails for $20. So that's our first item in here. Our next item in here, I'm not entirely sure I'm going to be able to use this because I don't think it's my shade. I think they should have gone a little bit different with this type of thing. This is not, it's not creamy like you can move your lips around. It kind of sticks like a matte liquid lip. That's kind of different. But it's the banana setting powder in medium. Okay, I'm not a medium at all. I think that they tailored this box to her, and look at her skin. She's much darker than I am. I'm probably not going to be able to use this. But this retails for $35 too. Yeah, it's pretty dark. I'm going to have to pass this along to someone who can actually use it because I can't. And they did give you a mini kabuki brush too. And this one retails for $20. Really soft. Ooh, that's so soft. Whew, I like that. So the next item we have in here is the Twist Up Brow Pencil in Cocoa. Again, I think that they should have thought a little bit ahead with these types of boxes, and instead of just making it like what this person on the card would wear, making it for the people who are actually buying it, that would have been ideal. My brows are really dark, so I should be able to use this. This is what it looks like, just a basic brow pencil. Just, yeah, your normal basic type of brow pencil. This retails for $20. I think that's so expensive for a brow pencil. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's not very big. It's not very thick. I don't think it's going to last long. Maybe I just overdo my brows when I do them. I don't do them a lot though, because yeah. But yeah, that just seems kind of pricey for a brow pencil, in my opinion. And then the last product in here, I'm kind of shocked that they counted this as a product. So you're getting a lipstick, a powder that I can't use, the brush to go with it, an eyebrow pencil, and then the last thing is the palette, which kind of makes up for it all. I don't know. It's a big palette here. And it's beautiful. Look at it. Look at this packaging. It is so gorgeous. And it's a big palette too, so I guess that's alright. But this is what she looks like on the inside, you guys. Look at all these colors. Let me take this. Did they really tape that on there? Why? Why did you do that? Come on, guys. Packaging is the bane of my existence. Oh wow, you taped it on the all sides? No. Okay. Just two. Just two. Anyways, this palette is gorgeous. It has a lot of colors. It's got this sparkly purple, like duo shifty color here. It's got these sparkly glittery colors here. You've got a fair few mattes. You've got some shimmer. You've got some what looks like glitter. You've got a great color story. I mean, yeah, it's nudes, it's colors, it's pretty much everything I would want in a palette, because you can do a lot of different things with it. So kudos to them on the palette. The palette is great. I know that when they did the Lala box, I was so displeased with it because it was just so blah. Like it was all tan. Everything was tan. The lips were tan. The eyeshadow palette was tan. Like there's only so many shades of brown you need in your makeup collection. So for me, this is really awesome. I'm excited about that. That's probably the thing that I'm most excited about. So they say this retails for $50. So I don't know. I guess we'll see. So it's a 35 color palette. It has a bunch. So it says it has a range of mattes, satin, shimmer, and foil eyeshadows. So it has quite a few different formulas in there, which is cool. I mean, they feel okay. They're not too bad. They're not poppy. Let's try I guess this would be a shimmer. Yeah, the shimmers are just okay. And let's try one of the foils. And that's a foil right here. You can't really see it. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty. I would not pay $50 for it, but it's pretty. So there you have it. That's my American Influencer Awards beauty box. Thank you guys for joining me today and hanging out with me. If you like my videos, be sure to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. And as always, have a fabulous, fabulous day. And remember, keep sparkling.